Welcome to Upstylebrush. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube Shorts. To do that, on laptop or PC, open YouTube Studio and log in. URL will be studio.youtube.com. Click Content from left side. Go to Shorts. Click three dots under short that you want to download. From the drop-down menu, select Download. On mobile, open YT Studio app. Log into your YouTube account. Go to Content. In front of Shorts section, click View All. For the short you want to download in your device, press three dots in front of it. Press Save to Device. One thing to keep in mind though, from your own YouTube account, you can download your own Shorts videos. But downloading short videos from YouTube that you do not own is illegal. So this is how you can download your own Shorts from YouTube Studio under your own account. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.